Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dotwin.com. In this video, we'll show you how to get back the old YouTube subscription feed. So let's get started. There are a total of 4 scripts, but not all the script will work for all of you. It's just a hit and trial. So let's try out all the 4 scripts and then see which one works for you out. For this, we'll be using two tools. The first is a uBlock Origin Lite and the second is the AdBlock extension. So please install both of them onto your PC. Let me show you how. First off is the uBlock Origin Lite. So open that in the Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. It's now added. In just a moment, it will be added over here. You will see remove from Chrome over here. When that happens, then this means that the extension is now added. This will take just a few more seconds. So let's see, and you could now see it's now added. Likewise, please do the same with the AdBlock extension as well. So it's optional, you may use any of the two, but I'll be using both of them just to show you how to use this. So let's add this as well in the Chrome, and it's now downloaded, and this will take just a few more seconds. Remove from Chrome, so it's now added as well. So let's now get started. There are overall 4 scripts. So let's try it out. The maximum success rate has the first and the second one. So please try out the fix 1 and the fix 2 and they will fix your issue for sure. Let's try it out. This is the first fix. So first off, let's try it using the uBlock Origin. I'll show you how. Open this, click on over here, go to options and then go to custom filters, expand this and now just paste the filter over here. So for example, if you're using the first script, copy the script from here and paste the script in the uBlock Origin Lite. Then click on add and you could now see it's now added. Now just do a refresh of the YouTube website and then the issue will be fixed. If you want to use the AdBlock Origin, in that case, open the extension from here. Let's say AdBlock Origin, or you must simply go to over here and click on the settings menu or go to options. It's a much better approach from options. So now go to the section of customize and scroll down and you may add your filter over here. First off, click on edit. Then let's copy the filter, which is the first one. Let's say for the sake of reference, use the first filter, copy it, paste it here and hit the save button. And it's now added. The issue will now be rectified. So for all the 4 scripts, the steps are the same. It's just that all the 4 will work in the uBlock Origin, but the script 3rd and 4th might not work with the AdBlock Origin, with the AdBlock. So please only use the 3rd and 4th with the uBlock. Although there will be no need for the 3rd and 4th. In my case, the script 1st and 2nd was working well and good. So only use that and your issue will be fixed. So just to repeat, add both the extension from the Google Chrome extension store. Once they are added, open the script page, add the script, then save it, and that is just about it. For the first script, for example, copy the script, paste the script in the uBlock over here, click on import export, paste the script, hit on add. In the AdBlock, go to the customize, edit, add your script, hit the save button, and that is it. After this will fix the YouTube subscription page issue and bring back the old one. Okay, one very last thing, Google might patch the script at any point in time. So please make sure to use it at the earliest or else they might not work. And that is just about it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.